Hi, this is Betsey Delorey to demonstrate my Enhancement 7. I'll go ahead and run the program and log in as an administrative user. And as an admin, I can see the update account information as well as the administrative functions, headings, and the product link. And I'll go ahead and demonstrate that this code with the changes validates HTML. I will log out and log back in as a level 1 user. And in this case, I am restricted to just the update account information link. Go ahead and show that this page, the new client update view, validates. No errors or warnings. So if I want to make a change, I will be popped out to the admin page with a success message and the updated information. I'll go back in here and demonstrate a bug that I was not able to fix. Let's say that I want to try submitting this with no information. The client side data validation will catch that. And let's say that I want to try doing that with no validate on. And I do catch the error. Please provide information for all empty form fields. But if I go ahead and re-enter my change, my database update fails, and the only way I could handle that was to pop myself back out here and then re-enter the client update page when the fields have been updated, and now it will let me make that change. So I could not figure out how to fix that one, but the processing actually is similar in the updating of the password. So I will do that with the admin level user. Do I still have that in there? I think so. So I'll go ahead and try to update the password. Down here, the form fields have filled out, password is not filled out. And I'm going to put in the same password and with a 1. Actually, first I'll try to submit it blank, and the client side catches it, and no validate. I do get an empty fields message, but now if I try to change that password, it will not update in the database. It fails. And so if I come back into accounts, I can update it by doing that. My password update was successful. I will log out and log back in. And what I did was I just put a 1 on there. And the new password works. So I think that's everything except for my one error case, and I'll try to get that figured out next week. Thanks and have a good weekend.